Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Have you ever received a photo on WhatsApp and wondered where it originally came from? Maybe it's a viral meme, a screenshot, a product image, or even a suspicious photo that seems out of place. Instead of guessing or asking around, you can use Google Lens, a powerful image recognition tool, to trace the origin of any photo directly from your phone. Google Lens allows you to perform a reverse image search, identify objects, landmarks, products, and even extract text from an image. In this guide, we'll walk you step by step through how to use Google Lens to find where a WhatsApp photo came from, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp app on your phone and open the WhatsApp chat where the image was sent. Tap on the photo to open it full screen. Tap the three dots icon on the top right corner, and tap Save to save the photo to your phone's gallery. After that, close your WhatsApp app and open the Google app. Tap the lens icon, looks like a small camera, and upload the photo you just saved. And Google Lens will analyze the image and display relevant information, links, or similar images found online. If it's a product, it may show links to stores or similar items. If it's a place, it may reveal the name or location. If it's text-based, it can translate or copy it. And if the image is viral, Google Lens may show you news articles, blog posts, or websites where it appeared. If you find the exact same photo, it means that the photo was taken from someone else's because the source of the photo will be visible. For example, the photo that I received from this friend, it turns out that the photo was taken from Pinterest. If you click on it, it will automatically be taken to the Pinterest application page that displays the photo. If the photos searched are not exactly the same, it can be interpreted that the photo is original. And now, you know how to use Google Lens to trace a WhatsApp image. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.